Dear students, welcome to the classroom. Today we are going to continue the second lesson of Introduction to Computers, Standard 6, Lesson number 2, Windows, Files and Folders. In this video, we will learn how to create folder, subfolder and files. Dear students, before we create folders and files, look at this diagram to understand what exactly we will be doing. First, we will make a folder with the name of sports. That will be main folder. In that folder, we will create two subfolders, indoor games and outdoor games. In indoor games, we will create two files with the name of chess and carom, and outdoor games, in that subfolder we will create two files with the name of football and hockey. Working with files and folders. Create a new folder. We will first create the main folder sports in document library. First, click on start button on the taskbar. You will see the start menu. Then on the right pane of the start menu, click on documents. You will see the documents library window. On the toolbar, click on new folder. You will see the icon of a folder with the words new folder highlighted in a box. The detail pane shows the details of the new folder. New folder appears in the alphabetical order in the file list. Type in the name of the folder sports. Press the enter key, the box disappears and the new folder sports move to its correct place in the alphabetical order of the list. The name of the folder is highlighted. The details pane shows the name and details of the new folder. Click on a blank space in the navigation pane to remove the highlighted on the name of the new folder. Note the changes in the details pane. Create a subfolder. Dear students, we will create two subfolders, indoor games and outdoor games, in the main folder sports. Now in the documents library, click on sports folder. You will see a blank sports window. The address bar shows that sports folder is created in documents library, which is stored in libraries. The library pane shows that sports folder is stored in documents library. You can see the words this folder is empty in the file list box. This means that there are no subfolders or files in sports folder. The details pane also shows 0 items, which means that there are no subfolders or files in sports folder. On the toolbar, click on new folder. You will see the icon of a folder with the words new folder highlighted in a box. Note the changes in the details pane. Type in the name of the first subfolder indoor games and press the enter key. The box disappears and the name of the new subfolder is highlighted. Click anywhere in the window to remove the highlight. The details pane now shows one item, which is the indoor games subfolder that we have just created in sport folder. In this way, create the second subfolder outdoor games in sports folder. The details pane shows two items, the two subfolders that we have created in sports folder. Dear students, if you place the mouse pointer over a folder or a file in the file list, the details pane will show the name and other details of that file or folder. Create a file. Now my dear students, we will create two files, chess and carom in indoor games subfolder and two files, football and hockey in outdoor games subfolder. First, we will create files in indoor games subfolder. In the sports window, click on indoor games subfolder. You will see a blank indoor games window. Note the changes in address bar, library pane and details pane. On the menu bar, click on file. You will see a drop down menu. On this menu, point to new. You will see a submenu. On this submenu, click on Microsoft Office Word document. You will see the icon of a Word file. with the words Microsoft Office Word document highlighted in a box. Dear students, when you click on File and New, the submenu shows you various types of files that you can create in a folder or a subfolder. You can also create a new folder from this menu. Now type in the name of the first file, chess, and press the enter key. The box disappears and the name of the new file is highlighted. Click anywhere in the window to remove the highlight. The details pane now shows one item, which is the chess file that we have just created in indoor games subfolder. In this way, create the second file carom in indoor games subfolder. Note that as soon as you type in the name and press the enter key, the new file or folder moves to its correct place in the alphabetical order of the list. The details pane now shows two items, the two files that we have created in indoor games subfolder. Now we will create files in outdoor games subfolder. Click on back to go back to the sports window. In the sports window, click on outdoor games subfolder. You will see a blank outdoor games window. Note the changes in the address bar, library pane and details pane. On the menu bar, click on File, New, Microsoft Office Word document to create two files, football and hockey in outdoor games subfolder. The details pane now shows two items, the two files that we have created in outdoor games subfolder. Click on Close to close the window. Now my dear students, in this video we have learned how to create main folder, subfolders and files. So watch the video carefully.